Chain plate mesh belt chili dryer. Chain plate mesh belt chili drying machine is an automated chili drying equipment for continuous production. The traditional manual drying of chili peppers is inefficient and depends on weather conditions. If encountering continuous rainy days, many chili peppers can only rot to the ground. The emergence of mesh belt chili dryer has greatly improved the efficiency of chili drying. Working principle. The continuous mesh belt dryer uses the automatic spreader of the feeding conveyor to evenly spread the material on the mesh belt. The mesh belt is driven by the reducer motor transmission device to move from the upper layer to the lower layer in the dryer. During operation, the material has multiple processes of falling down, making the material thoroughly flipped and evenly dried. The hot air forms a mixed flow state in the dryer and passes through the materials, and the dried water vapor is discharged from the dehumidification hole. During this process, fully contact with high-temperature hot air to achieve the purpose of drying. The hot air volume, heating temperature, and operating speed of the mesh belt can be adjusted arbitrarily based on the moisture content and type of material. Equipment structure. The mesh belt dryer consists of 5 parts, namely the feeding conveyor, the mesh belt dryer main machine, the heat source, the discharge conveyor, and the electrical control system. The heat source provides heat. The mesh belt type cross-flow dryer is the main body of the drying equipment, composed of the body and multi-layer conveyor belts. The electronic control system controls the start, operation, and stop of the entire equipment. With the cooperation of other auxiliary components, the drying equipment completes the feeding, drying, and discharging processes of the dryer, achieving the drying and processing of chili peppers.